This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making tea eggs. We will start off with the eggs. I have here 8 eggs for this recipe. Put the eggs in a pot and put in enough water to cover the eggs. Bring this to a boil and then lower the heat to a simmer and simmer this for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove the eggs and put them in cold water. Putting hot eggs in cold water will make it easy to peel later on. When the eggs have cooled down, use the back of a spoon and crack the eggs gently. The cracks will create a marbling effect on the eggs when the eggs are sitting in a brining liquid. Let's next make the brining liquid. I have here 600 ml of water. To this, add in 2 tea bags. Use any kind of black or red tea you like oolong or English breakfast. Green tea does not really work here. Also put in 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 Star Anise, 2 bay leaves. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of 5 spice powder. Also add in 120 ml of light soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Next, put the eggs into this brining liquid. How much water you need would depend on the size of your pot. Just make sure that all the eggs are covered in this brining liquid. So, add more water if it's required. Bring this pot to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. At this point, your kitchen will be filled with the aroma of tea and spices. After 15 minutes, remove it from the heat and let the eggs cool in this brining liquid for about an hour or 2. When the eggs are cooled, you can go ahead and peel them and they will be ready to eat. However, it will be better to keep the eggs in the brining liquid in the refrigerator overnight. This gives it even more time to absorb the flavors. But do not soak the eggs for more than 1 night. This is a simple tea egg recipe using 5 spice powder.